Back again with the next video here, guys. So today we have this 2012 Toyota Hiace with a bad wheel bearings. So here's a little sound of the wheel bearings, how bad it is. As you can hear from that noise now, that course running, that tells you that the wheel bearing's gone. Alright, so we're about to tear down this. Alright, now guys, so we're about to pull off the caliper now. So here we go. Caliper off. So we're about to pull off this part of the bearings. The bearings is this piece right here. So those are two bolt bolts. So I have to turn the steering the other way so I can get to the next bolt. Alright, okay, so we're going to pull the final two bolts plus the ABS wire right here. So to prevent any damage, first we're going to pull off the ABS wire, or sensor. So this is the sensor now, guys. Push it aside. Yeah, good. Alright, so here's how the wheel bearings is sounding, guys. So hear that coarseness. That coarseness should be smooth, so you shouldn't even hear that sound. So we're about to remove this wheel bearing now. So it's been held on by these 14mm bolts right here. So here, here, and here. So here we go. Alright. So this is the wheel bearings. So this is what we're going to be replaced in.